In this video, I'll show you how to use the social trading feature of Pocket Option. So when you log into your Pocket Option account, you will see this social trading feature. Now, it is basically a copy trading feature by the help of which you can copy any trader, either it is top ranked trader for 24 hours or top 100 traders. But there is a little catch that you need to understand while copying these traders. I'll show you everything properly. So watch this video very carefully and like this video too. Now you can see when you click on the social trading and see the top ranked trader for 24 hours, if you click on it, it's an 85% win rate, but there is a loss in today's result. This trader have made loss, okay, and his trader max and minimum trade is of $1,000, okay. So he have traded anywhere only $1,000 per trade, okay. He's trading consistently with that amount. But if you see yesterday, and you can see his maximum trade was of $1,000 and minimum trade was of $1. Now this is so much problematic, okay. I'll explain it to you why it is. But his trading profit is $7,000, and if you go to all time, then you can see a trading profit of $6,386. Now you may find that, oh, I can copy this trader and make profit. No, that is not the case, okay. If you select custom range, and let's say if you select from 4 to 12, then his trading profit is only of $67. So if you were trading him, copying him consistently in this time frame, then your account would already have blown up, because his one trade was of $1,000, another trade was of $1. So whenever he make loss of $1,000, then your account could have gone in totally minus, okay. So it is extremely important you watch this video very carefully to understand about the social trading, because I'm going to help you on this properly, okay. So let's say let's see if this second trader is trading win rate profitable trades are of 53%, okay. So today we have made profit. Now here is the same problem. Maximum trade amount is of $1,000, minimum trade amount is of $7.28. And if you see on yesterday, then his trading profit was of $5,000, maximum trade was of $2,000, and minimum was of $1. Now if you see his all time, then his trading profit is $7,000 and his maximum trade amount is $2,000 and minimum trade amount is $1. Now it is important to find out by using the custom range, okay, while this trader is making profit or not. So let's see of 3 days his trading profit is only of $310 and his maximum trade amount is $300 and $1.16. If you copy this trader also, you will make loss, okay. So altogether if I'll show you top 100 traders, and if you see, let's see of this trader trading profit is 1997, okay. Max trade amount is 575, minimum trade amount is $5, right. Now yesterday there was no trade. In all time is in minus $41,000, okay, minus $41,000, and in that moment his maximum trade amount was of $3,000 and minimum trade amount is of, I think, $1. There is no such kind of $0.8 trade, okay. Now why I'm showing you all of these, okay. The problem here with all of this trader is this inconsistent amount that trade, okay, that they make trade of, like one trade of $1,000, one trade of $2,000, one trade of $50. When this thing happens, this is guaranteed. You can check all of these traders, same kind of problem you will see. Even if you see profit in the all time, if you put it in a custom range, and if you were copying in that custom time frame, like as I have shown you previously, if you have selected a date range, whether it is in profit or not, then you could have understand properly why I am saying this. Now what you need to see in the trader is the consistent amount that they make trade of. Like if they are making one trade of $100, then another trade should be also $100, not $50, not $1,000, okay. Consistent amount of trade is very important. I'll give you a link to my video where I trade with a consistent amount of trade, like $200 per trade in each trade, and you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200. Now, if you want to copy any of these traders, or even if you want to copy my trades, then you can simply join my free Telegram channel and follow the instructions there and get the UID that you use to copy my trade. Now, once you get that UID, a UID looks like this, okay? And once you get that UID, you just come to this social trading. You can click on any of these traders to copy them, or you can put the UID in, click on search and put the UID that I have provided. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, so for now, let's click on here and click on copy. You'll see these 4 boxes. So copy in proportion means if I make $200 per trade and you want to copy that whole $200 per trade, then you can copy 100% of my trade. But if you want to copy $2 per trade, then reduce that to 0. And whenever I make $200 per trade, you will be copying $2 per trade. So if you click on here, then you can see you can increase the copying percentage amount like this. Okay. So this is also a new feature for me. I haven't looked at it previously, but however, if you want to copy $20 per trade, you can set it to 10%. Okay. And if you click on here, so yes, if I make $200 per trade and you want to copy $400 per trade, then I think you need to click on this multiplier at here. Sorry. Now, in case of stop balance, this is, let's say you have $5,400. If you are copying my trade, I would suggest not to touch any of these 3 boxes because I make $200 per trade and 3 trades per day. No more than that, no less than that. Okay, so there is no any use of these boxes to be touched because whenever my BIP copy trader they touch these boxes, all of my trades are not copied in their account. So I would suggest not to use this stop balance and minimum maximum copy trade amount. But if you are copying any of these traders, then what you can do is, let's say you have 5,400 as $16, then you can set a stop balance, how much amount of money you want to take risk. But instead, what I would suggest you still, instead of using this stop balance, let's say you have $5,416 and you only want to risk that $416 in copy trading of any of these users, then you can withdraw that $5,000 and only put $416 so that you don't um, face loss. Okay, if even if this stop balance doesn't work, okay, that way you are 100% safe. And in case of minimum and maximum copy trade amount, in my case, you are copying $200 per trade. If you are setting it 1%, then you will be copying $2 per trade automatically. So there's no need to touch any of these boxes. But in case of this, you can set it like, let's say you want to copy minimum copy trade amount $10 and maximum copy trade amount $100. Now what happens is if this the trades that this trader make gets anywhere from these two minimum and maximum copy trade amount, then the trade will be not copied. So you will be keep on waiting and this trader will be making trades for a long time and your trade will not be copied in your account. Okay, so there is few problems with this kind of thing. Now let's say if you click on this copy, then sorry, you can click on this confirm. Okay, after setting up all of these things, and you can click on confirm and you will start to copy this trade. So let's say if you want to stop copying, then you can simply again find this user. I'll show you how to find this. You just need to click on stop copying. And if you don't want to copy this trader and just only watch this trader, then you can just click on watch and trades will not be copied. You will only be able to watch his trades. Okay. Now, for example, let me show you how you can stop copying this trader. So let's say now you have started to copy this trader, right? Now what you can do is you can cross this, you can click on social trading again, you can click on here and list of copy trader. You can go here and you'll see this name because you are copying in. Just click on it and click on stop copying. Now if you keep it on what, then let's see again, you go to social trading, click on here list of watch trader. You will find this person at here. Okay, similarly if you click on here and click on setting, And if you don't want other people to copy your trade, then you can just turn it on, hide copying and statistic of my profile, and your trade will not be able to copy by other user. Okay. So these are the functions of this social trading. And I would suggest you to watch my video on copy trading, how I provide copy trading service and how profitable that could be to you. Watch it. I'll put the link of that video in the description of this YouTube video. And you can also decide whether you want to copy me or not by joining my Twitter Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.